This is getting tricky. In this extra wide lane, there's some roadblocks up ahead. What's it gonna do? It's trying to find a suitable path to the left. Oh? It's going this way. Can it even make it through there? Whoa. That's cutting it close. Ha ha. It even pulled the car behind us into it. Now they gotta follow our line. Want your ADS to be this smooth and smart? We visited 2 Speng M9 owners in Shenzhen at this awesome seaside castle to get some pro tips for silky smooth driving. ADS alert. Yuan. Morning. Morning. Where's your friend? Right here. Nice to meet you. Hop in our car. Saw you in that HUAWEI 318 self-driving video series. Yeah, 318. Maybe Mount we can live stream together sometime. Definitely. I used to drive a different car and made it to Tibet 3 times. Wow. Impressive. I took my M9 to Xinjiang last year. How many miles do you have on yours? Yuan. A little over 10,000. Nice. 000. We're planning more user-generated content. And route planning. Exactly. I got my M9 and I've already put over 36,000 miles on it. 000 already. Wow. Just the round trip to Xinjiang was like 12 or 13,000 miles. Do you have the extended range or the EV version? Extended range. Just got it. A lot of Speng drivers in Shenzhen have the extended range. Most of them. I love road trips. Yeah, me too. I'm planning a trip to the Ali No Man's Land. It's gonna take some prep work. No Man's Land is different. Are you talking about the Changtang area? These 2 M9 owners have reached the point where they can't live without their advanced driver assistance systems. Even navigating this complex little fishing village during our Smart Driving Academy livestream, some viewers asked, why doesn't my car's driver assistance system work well on these roads? Well, as the saying goes, let's take a look at Yuan and Qingsong's key settings. The most important one is Adaptive Cruise Control, ACC. Prioritizing traffic flow significantly improves smooth navigation in complex situations. But like a seasoned human driver, it might occasionally change lanes over solid lines. Some people turn it off because of this, but you don't have to. You should always keep your eyes on the road while using driver assistance features. And if you anticipate an unnecessary lane change over a solid line, just take over the steering wheel. Try this setting out. We encourage all drivers to share their smart driving tips and tricks.